Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your computer or Windows 11 or Windows 10 is unable to open up JPEG files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu, and then kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa left side menu, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung apps. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang, ito yung installed apps. So, kailangan mo lang i-click ulit ito. And then, dito sa installed apps, and then next, makikita mo dito yung search apps. So, dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung photos. And then, mag-a-appear ka agad dito mga kaibigan. So, kita mo dito, Photos and Microsoft Corporations. So, ang next step, dito na sa right side, kailangan mo na i-click tong tatlong dot. And then, select mo lang dito yung Advanced Options. And then, dito sa Advanced Options, ang next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then, dito lang sa kanyang Reset. And then, kailangan lang natin itong i-repair. Okay, so if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung repair. And then, wait natin na ma-complete. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung repair. But if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong i-reset. Okay, so kailangan lang natin i-click tong reset. And then, makikita mo dito mga kaibigan na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So kapag hindi pa naayos, so pwede mo itong i-reset. I-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then next, after dito, so close lang natin. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all is more later na out, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix JPG or JPEG file not opening in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.